almost time to get some new shoes on the 240. As you can see, we've needed new tires. I've been holding off for a little bit. I really love the Michelin PS2s, but for the price, I really expect to get more than 9,000 miles out of them. These have about 9,000 miles, and as you can see, they're pretty much spent. Even the fronts, you know, are pretty far down. Now this car does not do any drifting, so the car's built for grip, and we're really just trying to put the power down in it. It has trouble sometimes, so put these Firestone Firehawks on the RX7, and I've been pretty pleased for the price point. We'll see how the 240 likes them and see how they compare to the PS2s as far as longevity. I know they're definitely not going to perform as well, but for the price point, I'm hoping for the best, and I'll report back with our findings. If you haven't figured it out yet, I'm a big HKS fan. I was one of the people that jumped on that chance to buy these limited edition 50th anniversary HKS Floormats for the RX7. Nice little badge there. Super excited to get these, and I was getting ready to put them in, and then HKS just released another announcement saying that they're releasing another set of these, but without the classic oil splash color. It's pretty much a black. It's the same design, but all black. So I'm kind of torn on what to do. I love the HKS color scheme, but when you look at the car, I got the factory Mazda floor mats in there, factory RX7 ones. Look pretty good. I'm just trying to figure out if I should install these or if I should install the new HKS ones that are all black. You know, it might fit my interior a little bit better. But I'll hang on to these for right now. I still have not opened them, luckily, so these might just get thrown in the closet for collection or something down the road. I did put in an order for the black ones, and we'll see when they come in what they decide to do. But just a little update. Great parts update for the RX-7. For my birthday, my super awesome wife got me a part I've been wanting for the RX-7 for a long time. If you're in the RX-7 world, you know about these. The ashtray in these things, they don't have much space. You know, even if you do keep change in there, it's really hard to get out. You have to open it up and, you know, dump out your change. These are a thing of the past. But there's an upgrade that's an actual Mazda Factory part. If you're in the RX-7 world, you know about it. It's the armrest right here, and it's something I've been wanting for a long time. Yes, they are kind of pricey, but like I said, it was a great birthday gift. One of the benefits of having a car wife, they understand car stuff. So here we go. Factory part, fits like factory. You're holding a shifter. It's a great armrest. You know, this is something I've been wanting for a long time. It's super comfortable to drive with. Look at all the space you get. You know, so much. It's actually, I think it's a little bit deeper than the ashtray, and it fits like factory because it is factory for right-hand drive. It will fit left-hand drive. I believe you might have to modify a little bit to make it like super flush like this, but since this is right-hand drive, I mean, it's meant to be in here. So, happy little update from me. Interior's coming together pretty good. Everything looks real good. It's in real good shape. Gonna have to tackle the stereo next. But along with our 240 updating adventure, I'm going to be tackling the radio. This thing I installed quite a few years ago. It's a cheaper Android Auto made by Pumpkin Auto. So it's an Android interface. Does support, you know, CarPlay and stuff like that, but it's one of the first renditions, so it doesn't work that great. In order to use CarPlay, you gotta actually have it physically plugged in, which is kind of tedious, and you gotta install like extra things on your phone. There's a lot of workarounds. It's just kind of a pain, but it was cool when you first put it in. But this is the wife's car. I want her to be able to drive this car and enjoy it, so I got the latest Pioneer rendition. So this is going to be replacing the pumpkin head unit there, and I'll probably actually put the pumpkin in the RX7 just to replace the JDM one that's in there. But this one is supposed to work seamlessly with wireless CarPlay and whatnot, and it should be nice. So that's coming up soon. So we've got some updating to do on the 240. Brake booster is starting to leak. No more power brakes. Funny idle, it's just leaking down to idle. So we're on manual brakes right now. Want to update some stuff. We built this thing 20 years ago. There's better technology to combat heat. I've been through a couple turbo blankets. One thing you'll notice on this, since parts weren't really readily available when we built this, it's got a custom top mount manifold to take into the fact that we wanted to keep air conditioning and power steering and everything. Unfortunately, with the size of turbo we're running, it puts the hot side real close to the brake master cylinder. You can see even the brake line touches the top of this blanket. I don't like that, so I'm gonna try to figure out something for now until we can redo the whole turbo setup and get more space there.